Hi guys! Nandito kasi ngayon kami sa Starbucks. May nagbigay kasi sa akin ng gift ng Starbucks. So, I will treat my siblings and their husbands and wife to celebrate Mother's Day. Bye! Hello guys! So, nandito na ngayon kami sa Starbucks. Naantay na lang namin yung aming orders.
Thank you sa nag-treat.
Yeah, that's my treat.
Thank you very much. Ano pa?
Thank you. Alright, so we are celebrating Mother's Day for tomorrow. 1, 2, 3. All. Cheers! Happy Mother's Day! All nga! Happy Mother's Day!
Thunder sauce lang na.
No. Sa inyo na yun eh.